We are pleased to invite you all to our presentation on the BRV information storing tools offered by Tamil Nadu Textbook Services. You can access the BRV entry screen with the help of the login screen. Additionally, each printer has a unique ID that we refer to as printer number, and each printer must use its printer number as an ID together with a password. Click the button to bring up your BRV entering form now. We may now see the BRV entry screen, which resembles your earlier online interface. 3 combination boxes related to zone, region, and go down are visible at the top. You must now pick the region. The relevant zones and drop-downs will appear in the designated fields. If there is information about a free copy, you can choose the zone that best suits your needs. If not, you nothing to do. The next step is to choose the BRV series and date. Next, choose the order year and the necessary print order number to obtain the BRV details. Next, choose the print order date for BRV details. Choose the copy type for the BRV information, either free or sale copy. Next, a mode must be chosen: web offset or sheet fed. Only the printer name associated with the requested login will be accessible for BRV information. Next, enter the DC quantity, which will appear in the net copies and delivery quantity sections. Then the carrier options, which include entering the vehicle's details and registration number, must be entered. Then the user's remarks field selection. Next, choose the appropriate term, that is season, standard, that is class, medium, that is language, and tile, that is book names for the BRV information. The data will then be saved in the grid view at the bottom when you click the Save button. If you made a mistake in the BRV data that grid view stores, you can fix it by selecting the appropriate row. The information you choose in grid view will appear on the entry screen, where you can make any necessary corrections before saving. You can store your completed grid view BRV data by clicking the Save to CSV option and creating a CSV file. Please click the refresh button to view your freshly saved CSV file after saving it. Then choose the file name. The result that you supplied in the CSV file will appear at the bottom of the built-in Excel viewer. This provides a comprehensive explanation of all the facts regarding the user's entry of fresh BRV data. The data entry from zone users has been successfully completed. We trust that this process was straightforward and user-friendly. If there are any concerns or if further clarification is needed, please let us know. Your feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Welcome to the Data Import and Mapping tool. This tool allows you to seamlessly transfer data from CSV files into your database. The process involves mapping CSV file columns to the corresponding database table columns using an intuitive field mapping interface. Once the mapping is complete, the data will be exported into the selected database tables efficiently and accurately. In the Admin Tools Connection Wizard. This wizard will guide you through the process of connecting to your database, ensuring that you can manage your data efficiently. Follow these steps to establish a secure and reliable connection. Start by browsing and loading your CSV file. The columns from your CSV file will automatically populate in the list box. Select any field in the list box to preview its data in the grid below, allowing you to verify the contents before proceeding. After loading the CSV file, the admin can select the database tables where the data should be posted. Once a table is selected, the pre-mapped field mappings will be displayed in the panel. Here, you'll see the source fields from the CSV file and the corresponding target fields in the database, all pre-mapped for your convenience. Once the CSV data has been successfully exported to the database, the generated key field values will populate the table list in the right side panel. You can then select any table from the list to compare it with your CSV data. The selected table's data and the corresponding CSV values will be displayed side by side into different data grids, allowing you to scroll through and easily compare the data. In the bottom panel, you'll find a list of all tables from the database. You can select any record to modify or delete, providing a way to handle any errors that may have occurred during the data export. Additionally, the log file panel displays a detailed log of all inserted values for each table. If needed, the Delete Last Inserted button allows you to remove all data that was inserted during the last action. Thank you for watching our demo. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear understanding of how to efficiently map and export data from CSV files to your database using our admin tool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy data managing!